when the sunrise, we'll be on it. Oh, I got five, we gon' song live. Tell me when to go, baby, when we gon' slide, baby, when we gon' slide. Up all night, baby, when we gon' slide. Oh, yeah, yeah, baby, when we gon'
So give me a run for my money. Sippin' bubbly, feeling lovely.
I wanna be with you, ay. I wanna be with you. I wanna be with you, ay. I wanna be with you. I wanna be with you.
Me just love me.
If I didn't ride blanket on curb, would you still? If I'm in my mind at work, would you still? Keep it 100, I'd rather you trust me than to. Keep it a whole 100, don't got you, I got nothing. I got something. We gon' function, no assumptions. Feeling like Tyson with it. Don't got a price on with it. Only for the night, I'm kidding. Only for life, yeah, only for life, yeah, only for life. Let's get it.
Hey y'all, it's Renee and welcome back to my channel. As y'all can see, I just got out the shower. That's like one of the first things I do when I get home from work. I just wanted to thank you guys so much for all of the support on my last video, which was my 5 a.m. productive morning routine. So I was like, why not give y'all a night routine to match with the morning routines? When I posted that video, I was at 90 subscribers. And now I have 185. Like, I love all of y'all. So let's just get right into the rest of this video. Alright y'all, so I'm about to start cooking. What's on today's menu is jambalaya pasta. If y'all don't know, I love me some pasta, but I never made jambalaya pasta before, so I'm kind of excited.
Shit like the sky. I know I be rich before I die. They don't respect you till you try. at the fact he ain't with you. Mad at the fact that it's me. This shit bigger than me alone. So why do good enough? But the shade of an instant. Bitch still be looking for attention. Trust me, you can get it. Pull up whenever. You know I'm with it.
So I'm finished with my skincare, and the last thing I'm gonna do tonight is I'm just gonna plan my content for the month of February, because this is gonna be my last video for January. So
don't get it twisted. Nothing like none of these bitches. But sometimes I get in my feelings. Done. Why I know you better. I didn't matter, my nigga.